So let's do this. Good morning, everyone. Over the next hour or so, I'm going to take you through the variety of summer programs that Univariety has in store for all of you. A bunch of them are absolutely awesome products. A bunch of them are global certifications that we are very proud to have partnered with a lot of these providers. And honestly, I feel jealous. I wish I had some of these when I was younger. And, but I'm very privileged to be bringing this all to you. For those of you who've done this before, you might remember Miss Sangeeta George or Miss Devrani Banerjee doing these presentations, doing these webinars. I consider myself really fortunate to be able to do this one. So my name is Prateek Chakrabarti. I'm one of the associate vice presidents at Univariety. And Univariety is the company that's bringing you all of these awesome programs. So let's get started. Over the next 1 hour or so, we'll go through some of these points. Why are summer breaks important? I don't think the importance of summer breaks are lost on anyone, but I think it's all about kind of bringing it to a head for this. Looking at how summers have evolved and how we lost out on last year, why this summer becomes all the more important. And then what is Univariety doing to kind of bridge that gap between the lost summer and this summer to do a lot more. And then a lot of you have joined, who are across various grades. Parents, your kids would be across some of these grades between 8 to 12. So we'll decide, or we'll at least go through what's best, which program is best for each grade, and then how to choose which of these programs is best for you. And then if you stick around through till the end, there's an absolutely unmissable offer for all of you here. You guys have a slight advantage over everyone else who's not attending this webinar. So stick around to the end, all right? We'll also get through a bunch of your questions. In the interest of time, I'm not going to take some of these questions while we're doing the webinar. We'll get to them towards the end of it. I'm sure there'll be a lot of questions, so please forgive me if I can't get to all of them, but we have email IDs and phone numbers, and I'll also send out some contact details for you to send in all of your questions. All right, so let's get started. But before we do, let's get to know each other a little better. So shall we do a quick poll? Tell me how many of you are students, parents, or guidance counselors. We'll just go through this once, and we'll keep this poll on for about 30 to 45 seconds. Let's see what kind of results we get. How many of you are students, how many are parents, how many are guidance counselors? Hi. So everyone who's writing in, I'm sorry, put this poll on. There was a bit of a technical glitch there. Let's see how many students, how many parents, and how many guidance counselors. I'm seeing a lot of you guys have already written in the chat, so I apologize if you can get to the poll as well. That will be great. We'll keep this on for another 20 seconds. Okay. So we've had about, oh wow, there's 80% students here. You guys are really, really interested in the summer programs, aren't you? A healthy amount of parents, and great to see some guidance counselors there as well. It's not enough. We'll do another one. We'll reset this, and then we'll just do a quick one. So there's so many of you, who are students, and some parents here as well. So let's see what grade you guys are in. Are you in 8th? Are you in 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th? That'll also decide how much time we're spending on each class, what class needs most attention, what class needs slightly lesser. But rest assured, we'll get to everyone. So wow, that's very well split across a lot of grades. That's amazing. Okay, maybe another 10-15 seconds for this to go on. Okay. So wow, that's pretty evenly split across 8th, 9th, 10th, and 11th. We're seeing a bunch of your in class 8 or your kids in class 8 and 9. That's great. You want to start off early, absolutely. 10th and 11th, wow. I'm really glad that you guys could join us despite your busy schedule. I know your timelines are all topsy turvy right now with the untimely board exams and the pre boards. And 12th, I'm really glad that you guys are here as well. It's the last summer before you guys head off to college. Should definitely be a quite interesting discussion for you too. Okay, so now that I know you guys a little better, let's get started on this. So again, the idea or the importance of summers is not lost in anyone. Summers are important because there's no academic loads at that point, no immediate exams to follow, and there's a bunch of free time. It's the only break of the year with 50 days straight, right? So it could go in either way. Either you absolutely do not think about what's coming up next and you just have a fun time, or you can use this time to really think of what you want to do and get ahead of the competition. There's no one listening to you in the summers. And why getting ahead of the competition becomes important is because the competition in India has become so damn pronounced. Everyone is getting more than 90% marks these days. There's been a 325% increase in the number of people getting 90% or more, and almost everyone is now graduating. So the competition is really high. Even in entrance exams, there's so many people who are scoring above the cutoffs, and the definition of a productive summer has evolved along with the state of higher education in India. You really need to go beyond academics to show why you are the person college should be looking at. And it's kind of pronounced that way, right? In the US, 1 in 3 school students, they attend planned summer programs. Now, what a planned summer program is that it's about 2 to 8 weeks in. It's about 2 to 8 weeks in length. It's throughout the summer. It's got a planned objective. You get a certification in the end. 1 in 3 school students in the US definitely attend a planned summer program. The other 2 usually do some sort of volunteering or some sort of a creative building, right? Creative personality building. And it's really caught on in India as well. The 28% parents who said yes, that planned summer programs are necessary. About a year ago, that number was about 17%. So increasingly, the popularity of these summer programs is going up in India, and most college admission counselors and guidance counselors across the world believe that the only difference between students from India and the US or the West is experiential learning. So which is best done during summer breaks, right? So just give me a minute, guys. Sorry. Yeah. Yes, thank you, Arya. I think we've all noticed that we're taking necessary action there. And why this summer, why the summer of 2021 matters even more, is because sorry, hi. I think you're saying you can't hear. Can everyone else hear me? I'm sorry. Okay. Summer 2021 matters even more because we lost the previous summer. We lost a wonderful year, which is supposed to be a landmark year for a lot of students. And then even though we did spend a lot of time at home, we did a bunch of creative stuff with families. Asian Paints came out with a wonderful ad, and then. But overall, in terms of school academic development, beyond academic development, even for us who are working, working from home, it was a whole new ball game for us. But honestly, at the end of the year, when you look back, you'd think that we did lose out on a lot of time that we could have done to really build ourselves. So this summer matters even more because one, the summer programs and everything else is coming to your homes now, so you can take full advantage of it from the comforts of your home. You have one summer to replenish for this summer to really make a difference, and you know. Everything now with colleges, with the competition out there, colleges are now looking beyond academics to really select someone. Your academic scores, your entrance exam scores are definitely necessary, but they are just enough for to eliminate people who've not really gotten there. Colleges select you on the basis of what kind of beyond academic profile you have. Do you have relevant extracurriculars? Do you have have you demonstrated enough interest in the college or the course to really get through it? Who you are as a person, what your personality is, that's what gets you selected. So that's why the summer of 2021 matters even more. Just a moment. Yes. We'll get to all of your questions towards the end of the webinar. I'm sorry, just in the interest of time, we'll get on with the presentation. So a lot of people keep asking me, but then we have our summer vacations. We haven't been able to meet our families. Won't this summer be important to have fun, reach out with our families, etc. Like absolutely, but. So should it be fun? Should we be spending our summer vacations in Kerala? Should we be getting a summer program at Oxford? So it's all about productivity or fun. But let's fix that question. How about productivity and fun? You're going to be at home. You're going to be just making full use of the summer vacation. So why not do all of your fun stuff and combine it with the productive stuff? So you can play gully cricket in the morning. You can do a virtual internship during the day, or you could get down to your college admission prep in the morning. Get started on your college shortlisting, writing your SOPs, and then having movie time at the night. It's all about the and summer, Univarieties and summer, so you can cut through the clutter and gain that clarity with Univariety. So we've been able to categorize the programs that we have into 4 distinct tracks for a summer of clarity, right? We have profile building programs. We have offerings in partnership with some of the biggest companies and the biggest universities in the world for our corporate internships and university summer programs. There's college admission guidance and test prep. And there's also life skills and personality development programs. So let's get into it, right? Now, profile building programs. If you look at that, if you look at that iceberg picture right there, you do know that about only 10 to 20% of the iceberg is visible, is above the ocean level. There's about 70 to 80% of it which is underneath the ocean level. Now we flipped that, and then 75% of this college admission iceberg is known to people. It's your academic scores and your entrance exam scores. It's something that most students have. But the 25% that makes most of the difference is all of these profile building activities. You attend a summer school, you do an internship, you do your college admission prep, you get into you do some personality development programs. This is what really makes you stand out. And that's what most people don't pay attention to. I'm sorry, guys. I'll just do one quick thing here. All right. Now, catching the eye of the admissions board takes just more than grades now, right? So in order to make the cut, your excellence must go beyond academic achievements. This rest of the 25% is what you need, to really make a mark in the college admissions. Yes. And so, University's profile building program is a 50-day process that one identifies the ideal course, country, and college combination for you. Based on your academic scores, based on what you'd want to do when you're in college, what your ideal careers are. Based on psychometric analyses, we'll identify the perfect college course and country combination for you, and then based on that, we'll make a roadmap of co-curricular, extracurricular, and academic activities for you that builds a roadmap for admission success. Based on the college that's come out as ideal for you. And in this program, with exclusive guidance counseling support, we'll also have we'll set you on your path by making you do some of these activities over the summer. Why? Because it's not enough to just have the roadmap. You need to get started with the activities. Yeah. So the activities will be full of internships, summer courses, of academic courses, certifications that will really set you apart. That profile of yours will be so stellar that colleges will find you an unmissable candidate. So University's profile building program has been trusted by over about 6,000 people, and it's given us a bunch of wonderful results. And I'm sure if you take it up, it's something that will be quite beneficial for you too. The profile building program is priced at about 20,000 rupees. We'll obviously get to the prices and everything towards the end, but I'm finding a lot of questions coming in for the prices, so I just thought I'd probably answer that. The next track is something that I am very, very, very interested, very, very excited about. It's our corporate internships and university summer programs. There's nothing better than an internship and or a university summer program to really prepare you for life after school. Colleges are an absolutely different ball game from schools, and you need to have a perfectly rounded personality to be able to really make it. And there's nothing better than doing an internship or a summer program to really give you that sort of practical and experiential learning. So let's get into it. This is something that we're very, very proud of. The first internship track that we're offering to you guys is a once in a lifetime and once in a generation program that we've been able to create in partnership with Puma. Puma, as you guys might know, is the third largest sports company in the world. So University has partnered with Puma to develop the first ever internship of this kind. Now, the internship in itself is like a 15 to 18 level gamification where you'll get a 360-degree understanding of marketing. The situation is that it's the World Cup year next year, and Puma, being one of the sponsors, is looking to launch a footwear brand. And you, as the intern, get to help Puma launch it. So in the process, you get certified by Puma. You get a 360-degree understanding of how marketing works. You gain real-world experience, and this opens doors to multiple career opportunities for you guys. Not just marketing. You'll get to understand, how different departments in an organization work, how a lot of these organizations depend on marketing and communications, and you'll also understand what sub-level of marketing you're great at, whether it's research, whether it's whether it's advertising, whether it's communications, whether it's public relations. It's an absolutely amazing program for you guys to go through. And in addition to it, we're giving you an opportunity to choose any 10 internships out of the 18 different disciplines that University's virtual internships programs offer. There's wonderful courses. There's about 2 to 4 hour courses, where you can learn the practicalities of architecture, of ethical hacking, of law, of filmmaking, of mechanical engineering. These are some great programs. Something that a lot of students from classes 8 to 12 have been able to do, and have gotten a practical understanding of what this career discipline really entails for them. Let's move on. So with Puma, the corporate internship, we're also offering you choice to take up any of the 10 internships out of the 18 different disciplines offered here. Srijan, we'll get to the costs towards the end of this, but I think we have a lot of questions in this. Yeah, so the Puma internship program, along with the virtual internship programs, is being offered for 20,000. So yeah, that's the price for this. Each virtual internship program also retails for about 2,000 rupees per program. But if you take up the Puma internship, you'll get to do 10 of these virtual internships free of cost, along with getting a deep dive in the marketing. Moving on. Now, getting to the summer programs track. Univariety has partnered with some of the world's most prestigious colleges. The certifications of some of these, if you get that on your resume, there's absolutely nothing stopping you. We have partnered with some global courses like the Oxford Royal Academy. We're also offering academic research programs in collaboration with Harvard, MIT, Cambridge, and other top universities across the world. And then there are experiential programs with the Indian universities, with Ashoka University, their Young Scholars Program, and one of the most sought after programs, summer school programs in India, is the Aspire India Scholars Program that's offered at OP Jindal. So yeah, let's take a deep dive into this. At Oxford, some of the popular courses for this year are Medicine and Sciences, looking at Oxford creating the COVID vaccine. Oxford is known for their international relations and politics, law, marketing and media, business and entrepreneurship. There's AI and software development. There's economics. There's over 75 courses offered, and all of these courses are now available virtually. So batches begin on the 3rd of May and go on until the 30th of August. If you take up a course, each course online lasts for 1 week. You get a certificate at the end of it, and the prices begin from about £750 per course. Now they are something. These courses are absolutely unmissable. Like, if you think of people like Malala, you think of people like Emma Watson, you think of people who have amazing doctorates, who have 6 Nobel laureates. There's about 72 Olympic gold medalists and over 100 heads of state. All of these people have graduated from Oxford University, and a bunch of them took up some of these Royal Academy courses. So you are an august company. It's the certification from Oxford lasts a lifetime, and it's something that really gives that extra sheen to your resume that is absolutely unmissable. This one is something for pure science people. Right now, academic research. Now, people who are looking to get into colleges like IISc, or people who are looking to get a Bachelor of Science degree, a Master of Science degree, who are looking to get like a doctorate in their lives. This program is for you. Lumiere Education, which is a premier institute, based in the US. It's been started off by alumni from Ivy League schools. Has offered this opportunity to author research papers, academic research papers in the subject of your interest. And the best part is that you choose a subject of your interest, and you get mentored by professors or fellows from colleges like Harvard, like Brown, MIT, Cambridge, Oxford, the most prestigious universities across the globe. If you're looking to get into pure science, into political science, into any sort of a research program in college, this program is absolutely unmissable. You can demonstrate advanced work in a field that you're interested in, and you can effectively distinguish yourself in an increasingly competitive admissions process. This program begins on the 7th of June and lasts until the end of August. It's 12 weeks. It's fully online. What you do is, you get into individual sessions with a world-class researcher. You have 2 individual writing sessions with your coaches. You have 5 workshops, multiple workshops in how the research process goes, and then at the end of it, you get to write a 15-page research paper. Now think about it. You want to write something about carbon nanotubes. Professor Richard Brown from MIT is the mentor on your paper. Think what kind of an impact it will have on your resume. It's unthinkable. I wish I had this when I was younger. But this is something that requires you to send in an application. It has deadlines coming up. You've got to fill in the application, write a couple of essays, talking about why you'd be a good researcher, how would this help you in your progress going ahead, and all of this needs to be put in by the 23rd of May. Right, and the price for this is about 2,400 USD. It's a selective program. There's also, interviews for the shortlisted applicants. After the interview, you'll get sort of a conditional acceptance, which requires you to make a deposit of $200, and then it'll go it'll go obviously at the end of it. Then you'll have to pay the rest of the amount if you're finally approved and selected for it. If for any reason you pull out, or you're not selected, or you're shortlisted and then you're not, then the refund would be initiated right after that. Yes, Keshri, this is pretty interesting. If for any questions that you may have, please send us your questions. It'll be great if you can take up a program like this. Moving on. Now we come on to the Indian universities. Ashoka University is a pioneer in the arts programs. They are currently ranked top as one of the private premier institutes for sciences, for arts, and they've done this program for the last 2 years. Now, for high school students, for kids in classes 8 to 12, actually 9 to 12, Ashoka University offers the Young Scholars Program, which is an online 5-day long program. The students will be exposed to different disciplines through academic work, through writing papers, through multimedia learning, and then through faculty presentations, creative workshops. It's all designed to make you guys think a lot more critically. It's a wonderful program. Unfortunately, due to the pandemic, it is something that is only purely offered online this year. Though usually it is held in the Ashoka University campus in Manesar. This lasts for about 5 days between 17th to the 21st of May. It's priced about 25,000. The applications are opening soon, and it's for kids between classes 9 to 12. Even class 12 students who are writing their board exams, this falls right between your board exams. But I think Ashoka University, if you enroll for this, would probably give you the entire docket. Now we'll have to confirm that, but if they have extended it out to the class 12 students who are writing their board exams this year, they might have something in mind as to how to help you guys attend it. All right, moving on. And the Aspire India Scholars Program, which is offered at the OP Jindal Global University, is one of India's most sought after summer programs. It's a I was really confused when I was a kid. If I wanted to get into law, if I wanted to get into engineering, if I wanted to do something completely else, and if I had something like this, I'd be in a much better place, I guess. I'd have clarity right when I was your age. What the Aspire India Scholars Program does is that it provides practical and experiential learning across all major career disciplines, engineering, law, medical, pure sciences, aviation also. You gain invaluable experience about getting clarity, about what course to pursue at college level. All of this is over 2 weeks in the summer. You get practically exposed to all of these wonderful career tracks, college tracks, and it's something that gives you more clarity about it gives you more clarity about how well you can shape your college years going ahead. It's This one, in fact, is being offered offline. It's something that's being held at OP Jindal's campus. The applications will open soon, and the deadline is 26th of April. It's for 2 weeks between the 6th and the 20th of June, and it's priced at about 30,000 rupees. All right, so that's the end of that track, which was something that we were very, very excited about, and this is something that the next track is something that is very, very close to my heart. I felt like if I had started off on getting my college admission guidance earlier in my summer breaks itself. Hi everyone, can you hear me? I'm getting a few. Yeah, I'm getting a few questions that they can't hear me. Okay, great, awesome. All right, thank you everyone. Yeah, so college admission guidance is something that is very close to my heart. I wish that I would have gotten it and I would have gotten started earlier in the summer, but it's all about helping the next generation get their dues better. So I feel like college admission guidance is something that can be done over the summer much better. And in conjunction with your test prep, it's something that will get you started off much earlier. You'll be in a much better position than most of your other competitors, right? There's no academic pressures during the summer. Alumni are available for discussions. There's ample time for research and discovery for making your college shortlist. So this is something that is absolutely essential for kids who are looking to get into top schools across the world, who want enough guidance to be able to take that first step in the summers itself. Now, it's got two separate tracks, one for foreign college admissions and one for Indian college admissions. So the foreign college admissions is an end-to-end college admission guidance, right from your college shortlisting until the end of the entire process. Even after you have been admitted to the college, you will be able to make sure that your accommodation arrangements are taken care of, what kind of on-campus jobs that you can take up. It's something that is fully geared towards making a student's undergrad experience abroad the absolute smoothest that it can be. So over the last 9 years, Univariety has helped over 50,000 students reach their dream universities across the world, and we've helped them get over $2 million in scholarship amounts. And 86% of these students began their college admission guidance in the summer, so that we are not kidding about getting started early. And then the Indian college admissions track. Now, Indian college admissions may not be as complex as foreign college admissions, but they are pretty nuanced right now. You've got to start identifying your ideal colleges. Colleges are now looking beyond academics for, admissions, and, who you are as a person, what your beyond academic capabilities are, really get you through to the college of your dreams. And so, this is combined with SAT and ACT prep. People who are looking to give the SAT. Now even Indian colleges are accepting SAT scores. Some of the biggest colleges in India, Nasi Munji, Manipal, a bunch of the NITs. There's a lot of Indian colleges that are accepting your SAT scores, and all of this is combined with alumni guidance and interaction sessions. So the colleges that you shortlist, we'll get you connected with the alumni who've been in that college or who've done a similar course, and we'll get you in touch with them so that they can guide you on that path, right? So in India, building that college-ready profile and story is now essential. Um, as we talked about in the foreign college admissions, the process is, we start off with finalizing your career, course, and country. The three C's are finalized, and then we get to a college shortlist. Then we align your candidature to the admissions process for that college. There's pre-application support. How is it that you download the application? What is it that you should know before you start applying? During the application, the services are provided us. We can help you with your statements of purpose. We can help you get your letters of recommendation. We'll help you write scholarship letters, and then you start preparing for the interview. um, you know um, we start preparing you for the interview after you have put in all of that effort to send in that application. And then all of that is about, then we get you through the visa application process, make all of that simpler for you, and then post admissions as well, as we talked about. On campus accommodation, on campus jobs, your visa, all of that is taken care of through our foreign college admissions track, with our end-to-end college admission guidance, because we're with you every step of the way. Yeah. Okay. I need to just make something clear here. There's someone in the chats who is using my name and being quite disrespectful to everyone here. First of all, I'd like to ensure everyone who's out there who's listening intently that that's not me. And I have taken all steps to eject those people from the room, and we'll also take some cyber action against them, because we have their IP addresses also. So people who are getting slightly worried about that, or who were feeling disrespected or distracted by this, rest assured we've taken all steps necessary to first eject them and then take cyber action against them as well. Thank you for pointing that out, people. And then the Indian college admissions track, as we talked about in the profile building section, we'll identify the ideal college for you. We'll build a roadmap for admission success with extracurricular, co-curricular, and academic activities, and then it sets you on your path. We help you do all of these courses. We'll help you create that stellar CV that'll really set you apart from that competition. And it's super aligned to your college admission process, to your dream college. We'll ensure that you do not miss out on one single one out of these activities. And then the test prep portion of it, we've partnered with two of the pioneers in SAT prep, SAT exam prep, with Collegeify and Princeton Review. There's over 40 mock tests available. There's previous year's tests. You get mentorship and tutoring. You get the latest format questions for verbal and quant, and you get to build time management and patience, because it is something that a lot of kids, a lot of students really face when they're going into exams. They're absolutely fine while prepping, and then in the exams they freeze. They can't manage their times well. Collegeify and Princeton Review take care of that. They'll help you tune yourself to when you've got to sit there for 3 to 4 hours writing that exam. And the alumni guidance, which is, I think, absolutely necessary for programs like this. Univariety has a 40,000 plus strong alumni network, and they're present in top colleges across the world. You get access to alumni strategies. You get about 3 to 4 sessions with these alumni who are in colleges that you've chosen, who are in streams in the countries that you're targeting, and you get mentorship and networking opportunities with them. This is absolutely unmissable, guys. It's something that you guys will need to, if you're preparing for going abroad for undergrad, even if you're preparing to get into top schools in India, it's absolutely essential these days to start early. So think about this. And finally, we get to something that a lot of people have asked us about, and this is something that's quite popular for people to do, for kids to do, for parents to put their kids in during the summers. Some life skills and personality development programs. Now we've partnered with two companies, Chatterbox and Clever Harvey, who are the pioneers in their field. Chatterbox for mastery in public speaking, and Clever Harvey for honing your critical thinking and entrepreneurial skills. Put together, it's about a month-long program, 2 weeks with public speaking, 2 weeks for the junior MBA program for your critical thinking. And at the end of all of this, you can get over your public speaking dilemmas. If you ever feel like you want to be in a leadership position in school, if you'd like to, if you constantly think about ideas for products and services and can't stop presenting it, it's something Clever Harvey will help you hone your critical thinking skills. If there really is a problem that you should be solving, what really separates your solution from everyone else's, Clever Harvey does that for you. Put together, this entire program for a month is about 12,500 rupees, and we're getting a lot of questions here. We'll get to all of these questions towards the end. We're just about towards the end of the presentation. I'm sorry we lost a bit of time there to expel some of these miscreants. We'll definitely take action against them. Moving on and quickly, this is the part that we were interested in, right? Which program is best for you? Now, pay attention to this, or if you'd like to take a screenshot of this, we will be sending you the presentation and the live recording of this webinar in about 3 to 4 days. So keep an eye out for that on your emails. So starting off, the kind of stars that you see there, you'll see multiple stars across, for one particular class. The more stars that there are, the more important the counselors recommend that program is for that particular class. So for class 8, the counselors feel that personality development programs should be the most important that they take up right now. And if they'd like to, they can get into university summer programs. Now, every program apart from Ashoka and OP Jindal, the programs are offered for class 8 students also. I'd recommend that, if you can take up an Oxford summer program, that would be even better for a class 8 student. For class 9 students, now that you've entered high school, personality development programs still take the cake. That's still the most important according to the counselors. The university summer programs become just a little more important. And then the profile building programs that Univariety offers for identifying your ideal course, country, and college, and then building a profile in accordance with that ideal college. Class 9 students can get started with that. Class 10, now this is where things get interesting. Class 10 to class 11, that break is absolutely essential. And looking at today's class 10 students, especially the kids going through the COVID era, we know that you have a much shorter time frame, but we still feel that you'll have enough time to get started with your college admission, college shortlisting, getting started 2 years before you actually got to make it into a college. Will set you so far apart from everyone in that competing zone, and you'll be so far ahead of them. It's not even a joke. Profile building becomes all the more important in class 10. You've started to understand that there are people who will start competing with you. You do know that there are on an average, there's about 70 students that compete for one college seat all across India, across various disciplines. So start building your profile right away, set yourself apart from the competition. And then the internships, you are at a point where, you can, where, you've understood what you're good at and what you'd like to do, or at least have a semi-vague idea about it. And should really hone that skill for you in a practical fashion. The class 11 students, you are our unsung heroes. Class 11 students, it's the final summer for you guys before you head into class 12 and then head off to college. So profile building becomes absolutely essential for you now. It's something that you have only one summer. You have 1 year from 11th to 12th to really do all of the activities that are listed on your roadmap. And then, set yourself apart from the competition. Know what your ideal college is and prepare your beyond academic profile, your candidacy, your outlook, your personality and mold it in the way that that college will pay attention to you. Internships are the best way to do that, to build that sort of a profile. And the corporate internship that we're offering with Puma, or in conjunction with the virtual internship programs, where you get to choose any 10 out of the 18 that we're offering, that's also available for you. The university summer programs, it's your final summer before you head off to college. So why not make use of this, and look in for and go in for some of these Oxford certifications, academic research programs, Ashoka certifications. I assure you, they will add so much sheen to your resume, they'll add so much sheen to your profile, your application, that you will set yourself apart from that competition. And then this is the final year before you start looking in for college admissions, right? So get into that track straight away and start preparing. Start preparing your college shortlist. It's slightly late, but the time is still not lost. The time is still not gone for you. You have you have enough time to make a college shortlist and build your profile. Or if you're looking to go abroad, start preparing for your SATs. Start preparing for your application. There's no time to lose. Right? And then class 12 students, you are in the final year before you head off to college in the next few weeks after your exams are done. So getting a virtual internship will sort of build your personality even more, looking at things from a practical perspective. That is something that most class 12 students do not get. So when they go into college, it's a completely new ball game for them. They feel like they're from the away team. It becomes very difficult for them to cope. But if you get that sort of practical knowledge, experiential learning, you will be able to mold yourself in such a practically awesome fashion that you'll stand out. The 4 years in college will be just a breeze, and you'll have so much more clarity than your peers. It's also a good time for you guys to maybe take up some of the online university programs. Oxford is offering that from the weekly courses from 3rd May to 30th of August, and they're all weekly. So you can just take up some of these certifications. It's a wonderful stamp to have on your resume. I can't even emphasize too much about it. And then the personality development programs, right? The personality development programs we talked about, the public speaking and critical thinking with Clever Harvey. It's a good time to just sort of hone your personality that way. Be able to speak in a much better fashion, be able to present yourself, be able to articulate what you're thinking. That is something that a lot of first year college students build when they go through college, and even then a lot of people are not able to do it. So if you can get your personality and life skills developed, these are some soft skills that will stay with you for a lifetime. We talked about how did we arrive at those star ratings. So how developed is your personality in congruence with your academic growth? How have you been able to discover your potential, and how much time there's left to act on it? The number of summers left before class 12 ends, and then the time crunch owing to the pandemic and the lockdown. So these were 3 major factors that we considered for the counselors to give us that recommendation that these programs would be best for for kids from classes 8 to 12. I hope you've taken a screenshot of this. If not, we'll definitely send you this presentation and the live recording of this webinar. I think by Wednesday or Tuesday. So keep an eye out for your emails on that. And then, we went through this, but, for class 8 and 9 students, because we've gotten a lot of questions from them, your personality development in congruence with your academic growth translates to, having basic to semi-advanced knowledge of the concepts of science, language, social sciences. Students have begun to understand what they are not happy with, even if they haven't fully internalized what they're good at. These classes are best suited for discovering their potential and honing their personalities. Hence, those for those life skills, and a university summer program would be amazing for them. There's a lot of summer breaks left, so you guys have enough time to discover that potential and then start acting on it. And the time crunch doesn't really impact you during the summer. For class 10 and 12, my friends who are grappling with boards, you guys have You are hugely impacted by the untimely board exams. But the great thing about these programs that we just talked about is that they're all online, and they're all, for shorter durations. So just if you're able to manage your time well, what you can do during the day, you can do the flip side of it during the evenings. If you're studying for your pre-boards and boards during the day, you want to take a load off and start doing like a quick practical thing with a virtual internship in marketing. It's an amazing time to be in, with all of these programs coming to you home. It's a great time to do these things in conjunction with each other. For class 10 students, you can differentiate tangibly what you'd be good at and what you really want to do. So you should discover your true calling right away and start working towards realizing your dreams. So those profile building programs become absolutely necessary. And then class 11, as we talked about, you, my unsung heroes, you already have fully developed personalities. You're realizing your college oriented dreams. And you kind of have an understanding, even though it is vague, but you have an understanding of what your post-school life would look like. So you should start working systematically towards achieving these dreams. Getting your profile built right away. If you have your college in mind, your dream college in mind, start applying towards it. Get end-to-end college admission guidance. It's your one last break before you're in class 12, and you have limited time before you actually have to go into college. So this is the time for you to do all the beyond academic heavy lifting. Your intellectual capacities and your the amount of academic pressures that start mounting on you means that you have this last summer to make something out of it. All right, so what's next? A lot of you have been asking about this. How to get access to these programs? There's if you can look in the chat, I've pasted 2 links there. The shorter link is to speak to a program expert, speak to one of our expert counselors. Our counselors have over 50 years of combined, guidance counseling experience. They'll be able to understand you so well that they'll be able to, even if you do not agree with that matrix that I had shown you, they'll be able to tell you that no, okay, even for a class 8 student, if you're able to if you have really developed personality and you'd like to start building your profile right away, why not? We'll do that. So the shorter link up there is to book a counseling session. I encourage you to, as soon as this webinar is done, book a session right away. Slots are limited, but we'll try and accommodate all of you, right? Some people are saying to send the links again. I'll do that. Move. All of you, I hope, can see the link in front of you. It's given to you in the chat window right there. You can the shorter link is for booking a counseling session. The bigger link is for you to look at our summer programs. What we've just talked about, but you can look at them online. And if you'd like to pre-book your seat, if you'd like to buy a program outright and avail an early bird discount, all of that is on to you. We encourage you to do that. We also encourage you to first book a counseling session to see what program will be best for you, right? That's people who are saying that they can't book a session right away. No problem. It's have this link bookmarked. We'll keep communicating with you guys. Keep an eye out for our SMSs and emails and our social media posts. We'll send out a lot of these links. We'll send out the link to book a counseling session over and over again, so that you can actually go ahead and do it. Now, a quick update about the link. We'll ask you, if you're a student or a parent, we'll ask you some basic details. It'll take you about half a minute to do it. And then you'll get to book a date and time with one of our expert guidance counselors. And then you're redirected to sort of filling up some academic details about yourself, academic and non-academic details about yourself. It's not compulsory for you guys to fill it, but it's something that will help you have a more meaningful discussion with our counselors. Right, the counselors will obviously ask you what class you're in and all of that. But if you can fill up those details right before you have the counseling session, the session would be even more meaningful. So take maybe 2 or 3 minutes out and fill all of those details out. But even if you don't, just ensure that you've booked your session. All right, we'll not let you go without it. And then the next webinar on summer programs, with an approaching deadline. Oh, that's a good question. The counseling sessions are free. I'm sorry, I should have mentioned that the counseling sessions are free. Next webinar on summer programs with an approaching deadline will be on March 6th. So mark your calendars straight away. If you're interested in our summer programs, you can mark your calendars for the 6th of March, where you'll see my face again on your screen, hopefully with fewer miscreants in the chat window. And then we'll be able to talk about these summer programs, with the things that have approaching deadlines. And the bonus that we talked about. So from tomorrow, you'll have this code Super5 live. So you can avail an additional 5% off on top of the early bird discount if you buy a program right away. Just use this code Super5 and then avail an additional 5% off. So if you've stayed through to the end of this webinar, you've asked your questions, and you've gotten this bonus. Now, aren't you happy that other people also kind of dropped off? Now only you get to use this coupon, right? And okay, so we do have a little bit of time. We'll take some of these questions. All right. So Q&A only. We'll start off with the earliest question. Sir, is it useful for class 9? Pratham Soni asks. Yes, absolutely essential for class 9. We talked about the life skills and personality development programs, the university summer programs from Oxford, from Ashoka. That would be absolutely beneficial for you. Sara Mohammed Mansoorullah Khan Pathan. That's a wonderful name. How to take admission in these types of program online. We've just pasted the links for you there. You can either book a counseling session and then take a program that's valid for you, or if you've made your decision up, then you can go ahead and pre-book or buy a course right away. We've pasted the link for you to go to the page and make your decisions. Arya asks, what comes under personality development programs? We did talk about it. Public speaking with Chatterbox, and critical thinking with Clever Harvey. That program, combined together for a month for both of these products is about 12,500 rupees. Any kind of programs for acting or interior designing? Aditi, yes, Oxford does offer a week-long program in drama. Emma Watson, Sir Rowan Atkinson are all graduates from Oxford. There are some amazing programs that Oxford offers in the performing arts. So yes, do definitely go there. Take a look at Oxford Royal Academy. Why don't you book a counseling session with our expert counselors? They'll help. They'll guide you through the process about what some of these acting courses or drama courses look like. Someone asks, oh, that's a great question. It's my understanding that top universities in the world nowadays are looking for a spike instead of an all-rounder. Is my understanding correct? And if so, how can I cultivate a spike in theoretical physics? Amazing question, Falgun. Why don't you reach out to us at products@univariety.com or book a counseling session to do it, because it's a longer answer, and in interest of time, I'd like to get to the others. But yes, you're right. A lot of classes are, a lot of colleges are looking for demonstrated interest in a course that you've applied for, right? So there are a bunch of physics programs. You can do a science Olympiad. You can take up writing a physics paper with Lumiere. You'll get your academic research mentored with fellows and professors from MIT. I think that's a wonderful program for you to do. Someone says, during COVID, there are programs. Yes, these are all online, except for OP Jindal. They're taking all precautions necessary for you guys to be able to go to the campus and do those programs there. How much time will the code be valid for? So the Super 5 code will be valid for as long as you want to use it. It's something that we are not giving out to anyone else. It's just for the attendees of this webinar. But it's only valid if you purchase now. It's not valid for the pre-bookings. All right, Ankita? Sorry, Anika. So Myra asks, do we have any courses for MIT or Harvard or Stanford in chemical engineering? We do have those courses coming in from Oxford, not exactly from MIT or Harvard or Stanford, but we do, but like we talked about, the academic research programs, Myra, they'll give you a great amount of understanding of how chemical engineering, pure science chemistry works in colleges like MIT or Harvard or Stanford, because you will be interacting with mentors and fellows and professors from those colleges through the academic research that you're taking on. So if you're really interested in specializing in chemical engineering or chemistry, that's the course for you. What programs and internships are best for criminology? Oh, that's a beautiful question, Ananya. I think there are internships. I don't think we're offering internships in criminology, but I think we have a virtual internship in law. So the law program would probably be best for you to just get a head start on this. You'll understand how criminal law works, different from retail law, from real estate law. It's a great starter. And then once you're done with that law course, you can have a quick word with our counselors to see, what's the next step, what's the next logical step, if you want to get into criminology. Shreyansika asks, how do I book a free counseling session? The short link on the top. Click on that, book that counseling session. Takes half a minute to do it. Shreya Mishra asks, what about SAT and ACT, and is it useful for being IPS, and is science necessary? No, science is not necessary for it. The SAT is primarily verbal and quant. So basic mathematics, some applied mathematics. It'll test your knowledge of algebra, of trigonometry, of permutations and combinations, and of probability and all of that. So sciences are not necessary. And for your SAT, you can book a course through us with Collegify or with Princeton Review and get on with your preparation there. Abhinav, you've posted the same question so many times. You're a class 9 student, you want to write a book. Please tell me the procedure from writing to publishing. Okay, great question, Abhinav. This is also a very long answer. You first have to start working towards your public speaking skills, your critical thinking skills. So get enrolled. Get enrolled for our life skills and personality development programs. That will be a great starting off point for you. With the public speaking skills, you'll be able to understand how do people author books, how do people start writing, what's the best way to get on with it. Publishing is a whole different ball game. That's something that you will come in contact with once you've started writing, once your manuscript is ready. After that, you'll have to start pitching it to a bunch of people. You should have a pitch ready. For that, your critical thinking and your presentation skills need to be top notch. So for you, Abhinav, getting through to our life skills and personality development programs would be the best. Program, what's the package for all these? Aditi, you ask, what's the package for all these programs? Now, all these programs are priced differently. So if you can tell me what program you're interested in, I can help you with that. I think we've gotten to almost all the questions. Shreya again asks about, sir, please tell about IPS. That's a great question, Shreya. A bunch of our guidance counselors will be able to help you about the administrative services, about getting into core social sciences and how you can either go into forestry, into police, into administrative services or the foreign services. All of that will require you to be able to build your social sciences skills a little more. For you, the Ashoka University Young Scholars Program would be great, because Ashoka does a lot of these seminars and these programs for political sciences, economics, and social sciences and civics. So that would be a great course for you to enroll yourself in. Vishnu Ram says, wow, you're a class 10 student. What can you do for game design? Vishnu, get the Puma internship. It's an amazing gamified system. For 15 to 18 levels, you will understand how you can make a game, or how you can create a simulation like that. Once you understand the throes of how you evaluate someone to go from one level to the other, that's a great learning also that comes out of the Puma internship. Wow. Shreya asks, you're multi-talented, aren't you? Any courses that help you become an astronaut plus doctor equals aeronautical doctor? Wow, that is amazing. So yes, we do. There are, I think, a summer course in Oxford that's being offered for aeronautical engineering. If you pair that with our medicine virtual internship, hey, that's a great starting point, isn't it, Shreya? Someone asks, what are the requirements for doing engineering and law together? Sheetal, there are no requirements unless you're asking about doing an engineering and law course together, um, which is in college. In that case, I have a disappointing answer for you. You can't do it together. You can do it maybe one after the other. But if you want to do a course in engineering and law together now in high school, yes, there are virtual internship programs in engineering and in law. You can take them up. They're both just a week-long course. Wonderful, practical approaches to both engineering, mechanical or aeronautical, or a branch that you'd like to get into. And law in itself is a very vast subject. You'll get a virtual internship with that. Shreyansika asks, sir, I'm aiming for top US colleges, so should I opt for the IB board? Should I take AP exams? Shreyansika, I'm not if qualified enough to answer that question for you, but our guidance counselors are, so please book a counseling session. Ananya asks, law courses available in which program? So it's not available as a summer offering. If you take up the Puma internship, you can choose law as one of the 10 choices that you're given for the 18 other virtual internship programs. Tushar asks, what about sports psychology? Great question. There are sports sciences courses, psychology courses also available through Oxford. Take that up, or you can get a lot more understanding about this from our guidance counselors. They'll be able to guide you in a direction where even in class 11 and 12, you'll be able to take subjects that really help you build your physical education, sports knowledge, and psychology together. Wow, we're getting a lot of these questions, and I think we're way over time for this one. I'm very, very sorry. Bhavesh, you're saying, sir, can you please repeat the bonus slide? I got disconnected. Yes, I can. Use coupon Super5 to avail an additional 5% off on top of the early bird discount that you get if you buy now, not for pre-booking. All right. Everyone, it's been a wonderful, wonderful session. I've never had so much fun doing a webinar. Everyone who's asking these questions, please reach out to us on products@univariety.com. Please bookmark that. Bookmark that email ID. Send in all of your questions, or if you look at the sticky note in the chat, you'll see that there's a booking a link to book a counseling session. So let's do that. Let's get all of your queries answered, and let's make the summer of 2021 all about productivity and fun. Thank you everyone for attending this webinar. I'm so thankful, and I'll see you on the 6th of March in the next webinar. So mark your calendars for that as well. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Have a great weekend.